Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Ome TV camera not working on iPhone. So guys, if you're using iPhone or iPad or other iOS device and when you try to use your camera on your Ome TV and your camera is not working, I will help you how can you fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this. First of all, you need to go back, open your settings and scroll it below, and from here you need to click on apps, and guys after this you need to scroll it here and you need to find Ome TV app. Click on it, and guys now here you can see the access of camera has been disabled. You need to enable it from here, and guys after this you need to go back and open your Ome TV and your camera will be fixed as you will see here. So guys now you will see that, and here you can see your camera is working fine now. And guys if you're using Ome TV in your Safari browser or any other browser, then you need to do the same things. You need to scroll it down and click on apps, and from here you need to open your Safari or any other browser and you need to enable your camera permission on that browser. And guys after this your camera will be working. And guys after doing this, if still not working, then no need to worry, open your app store in your iPhone or iPad and here you need to search Ome TV. So guys as you will see here, you need to open it and you need to check for update. If your app is not updated, you need to update your app, and now you need to go back. So guys after going to back, simply you need to open your settings and scroll it down, click on general and check for software update, and you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. And after doing all these settings, your problem will be fixed and all the bugs will be removed from your Ome TV as well. And guys after doing all these method, if still not fix your problem, open general settings, click on iPhone storage, and now you need to open your Ome TV app and you need to offload your app, and after doing offload you need to reinstall it again, and after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.